I wanted to change careers. I wanted something that was under 2 years training, that had good pay at the end and very good job prospects. I was worried about the academic challenge after being away from school for so long. Our course load was 6 courses a semester, and I just could not keep up 5 full-time courses and the calculus, so I ended up dropping it. It was really stressful. I had just come back to post-secondary and I felt like a failure. I was really determined to get that calculus so that I could get back on track for my second year. I re-enrolled in the calculus in the summer semester, and that's where I ended up in the tutoring program.
Academic coaching and tutoring services at SAIT are here to support students in developing their foundational academic skills so that when game time comes, midterms, final projects, managing a full course load, students feel prepared to succeed in reaching their academic goals as independent learners.
Ahmad was great. He could break it down, help me to fully understand the concept, and then from there I used effective note-taking and flashcards to prepare me for exams.
We like to promote our services to students as early as possible. Our communication strategy begins the minute they get accepted into SAIT.
I got 100% on my midterm, and I ended up with a 98 in the course. I do feel proud of the success I've had as a student, and I'm happy to say that academic coaching and tutoring played a part in that success.